Hey everybody, it's Jamie O. Never done one of these before, but I thought I'd show you a little bit of the Philippines and what my life is like right now. Hope you're alright.
Meet me over in the city, babe, and see everything is so fine.
On my way to a pretty cool waterfall. I'll show you guys in a little bit.
Don't worry, let's go. That's fine.
Hey guys, it's Jamie O. Just wanted to show you a bit of what my life is like over here and what it looks like, and eventually I'll show you the people, the culture, and yeah, a whole bunch more. So anyways, I'm on my way to this place called Budlaan Falls. It's a beautiful little waterfall here near Cebu City. Not too many people know about actually. So yeah, here's the landscape for you. What? And I'm gonna be doing this hike barefoot mostly. Just getting primal, you know. It's supposed to be healthier for you. Get in touch with nature.
Into the unknown.
Okay, so that's all for now.
Strange world pulling me like there's something there, a place I've never placed my feet.
Here's a little garden.
Where all these questions finally meet.
Pretty cool way of living. Oh my god! It's impassable. We'll have to turn around, find a different route. Excuse me, can we pass? Tell me there's a way. Cold shoulder from a goat really hurts. Alright, after a big climb, we're approaching the waterfall. Should be there momentarily. Wow, so lush, so beautiful.
I can feel it in my soul. It's from here everything has grown.
Okay, here's the final descent. It's pretty steep. Let's use these vines and tree trunks. Hopefully we make it. Alright, so we made it. Check it out. Budlaan Falls here in the Philippines. True. Woo. Time to go swim. Hey guys, I just finished the hike. I kind of look like a ghost because I put on a bunch of sunscreen. But anyways, here's a coconut to celebrate. It's called buko. Lummy. Okay. All right, successful day. Made it to the waterfall and back in one piece. This is my first little video thingy. There'll be plenty more to come. Hopefully they'll get better. Hope everybody's cool. Well, enjoy yourselves.
You got me, honey. Got me, darling.